incredible. It hardly feels like we're moving. It's so chill, beautiful sunset, but still we're doing 5.3 nautical miles an hour in front of the wind. But unfortunately, check out what's coming over there. There's a little bit of thunder in the clouds. We just saw some lightning. So that's coming our way. I think we're gonna have a pretty bad night. Yip, are you ready for it? We woke up in the rain. We'll probably go to bed with rain. We feel relaxed. We just had a power nap. So and now we've got a little birdie here chilling with us. Sunset. What a good ending of the first day.
You got me. So what do you think? Hey, Mike, this course, nobody makes it that far. Thanks for letting me use it. So where the hell did you find this gear and put it to the test, bud? And he's float our training contracts. Where it is? What are you doing?
So that's what we call sailing the milk girl. So we have the jib to port side. We have the mainsail to starboard side. The milk girl, that's how we call it in the Netherlands. And you can see the wind is coming straight from behind if you look at our wind arrow pointer. We're doing 4.4, 4.7 speed over ground. The average that we've done is 5.4 right now. It's 8:30. There's still 360 nautical miles to go. We're okay. So, happily, yeah, we're having red lights, because if you put red lights outside, then you don't blind your eyes and you don't blind your other sailors. Well, the storm stayed out, so check that out. Some chicken with red onions, and then we got some nice pasta with vegetables. Put some nice little pesto sauce in it, and we've got a nice dinner. Sun is rising. Just found an emotional movie. Stars are disappearing. Life is beautiful. I don't have a lot of emotional moments, but this is one. And just enjoying it. What a calm ocean. The night was too short. Stars disappear. You can see this side of me as well. Wind disappearing. Time to put on the engine. Such a calm ocean. Pretty clear sky here, but we've got some bad weather coming up on that side. So we're gonna pull the main sheet in. And I think there's gonna be a bit of wind in there as well. Yep, how does that feel?
Well, it feels big.
Feels big. Feels bigger than the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, how's the new fishing rod?
Well, also better than the last one.
Yeah, I can see something coming there, buddy. That's pretty big. Oh my God, you still have 100 meters to go. Oh, that looks big. 15 minutes later. We're gonna do this very humane. You take some alcohol. We just put the fish here in the box. Put a little bit of 70% alcohol in its cues, and then it falls asleep instantly before you kill it. So very humane. Oh, sushi coming up, buddy! Don't lose it. Yeah, the minute we hear the reel, we put the Genoa in. Yip gets the angler, wheels it in. I slow the boat down, and that's the result. That's a lot of meat. That's a lot of meat. Look at the big chunks, guys. Look at those big, beautiful chunks. So there we have it. Fresh cut tuna by Yip. A little smothered raw inside. And a little bit grilled with ketchup. Bon appetit, buddy. So tender. We can cut it with a knife or with a fork. Yeah, that's it. That's good, people. That is good. Colombia. The wind came back, so we're back on the sails again. Well, we're not in a rush. That's the nice thing about sailing. In front of the coast, they have like buoys in the water with nets. So if you're sailing here at night, watch it, because you can't see this stuff at night. It's so calm, the weather today. We've got the waves coming from the back. You can see we're barely rolling, so we even had time to wash our shorts. Hello, people! Oh, shit! That's a shame, guys. The line broke. Yep, did we do anything wrong?
Well, no, the fish was just too big.
Okay, so I think we have the same one, but we don't have any line anymore. Oh, I'm pulling it with everything I can, and it's in the rod. Please, I hope it's getting tired, guys. Oh, almost on the line.
Any suggestions what it could be?
It's deep. I don't want the line to break. Jesus!
There's a lot of tension. There's a lot.
No, don't. Oh. That's gonna take a while. See you in a bit. Oh, yeah, there it comes. Come on. Oh!
I'm glad I took the first one.
Okay, half an hour later, we swap places. How does it feel?
It's bigger than mine.
How are your arms? This is your second fish.
And there it is.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, zoom in. Check that out. That's a monster, guys. That's a monster. Yep, reel it in. You're the guy.
It's a bastard, that's what it is.
He's not giving up. He doesn't want to come in. He definitely doesn't want to come in. Check it out. 6.5 kilos, guys. 6.5 kilos of raw tuna. Ah. This is just amazing, people. Now we even have dolphins. What's going on today? 2 7-kilo tunas, dolphins, check it out. What the hell? No way! No! Woo! Shit, this is the best day ever! Chance. This is unreal. Once in a lifetime.